Hello guys, according to Big Shot Micheal Burry, a big stock market crash is coming soon. So be prepared. If you don't know who is Micheal Burry, then I shall tell you. Micheal Burry has predicted the big housing market crash in 2008 and it was successful and he made a lot of money. And there is a Hollywood movie on him, Big Shot. And again he predicts a big market crash, so everyone is in fear. On this matter, CNN Business has published a big news about Micheal Burry. Micheal Burry of Big Short fame just bet $1.6 billion on a US market crash. And I will read this news for you. Micheal Burry, the Big Short investor who became famous for correctly predicting the epic collapse of the housing market in 2008, has bet more than $1.6 billion on a Wall Street crash. Burry is making his bearish bets against the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100. According to Security Exchange Commission filings released Monday, Burry's fund, Cizan Asset Management, bought $866 million in put options against a fund that tracks the S&P 500 and $730 million in put options against a fund that tracks the Nasdaq 100. Burry is using more than 90% of his portfolio to bet on a market downturn, according to the filings. But Burry appears to have been wavering between bullish and bearish on his stock picks this year. In January, he tweeted a cryptic message to his 1.4 million followers. Sell, he wrote. But by the end of March, he backtracked. I was wrong to say sell, he wrote. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 have both notched big gains so far this year. They are up neatly 16% and 38% respectively. In the mid 2000s, Burry was famous for placing a wager against the housing market and profited handsomely from the subprime lending crisis and the collapse of numerous major financial entities. In 2008, the event was chronicled by Michael Lewis in his bestseller, The Big Short, Inside the Doomsday Machine, and later adapted into a film where Burry was played by Christian Bale. So after reading this news, we can't say that Burry will be 100% correct, but we must be prepared and alert.